Hi, my name's Josh. Welcome to Paint with Josh. Have you been looking around for someone to paint with who's not a total goober? Well, guess what? You found the right guy, right? We love to have fun over here. So, backstory about me. I've been painting for about 3 years. We lost my wife's mother. She passed away very suddenly. It was very traumatic for us. And in order to break away from that sadness, it even kind of chokes me up right now talking about it, I got into painting. And Bob really showed me
A few moments later.
What Bob didn't show me that I'm going to show you is how to paint cool things like UFOs, psychedelic seascapes, giant planets, moons, meteors, shooting stars, all the little neat things that make your painting just a little bit better. Serious this time. There's one other thing, just a secret between me and you. I have memberships on my channel where you can get way more content than what you can see down below. It's all for the cost of one fancy coffee a month. Maybe YouTube's not for you and you prefer Facebook. Guess what? I have a membership over there as well. See you next time. Take care. Have the rest of a good day. And you're like, I don't even know what he said. Pow! That's the sound everybody waits for. You guys take care. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.